it's your girl Lala Slim here. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I have in my everyday bag. Just keep watching. I know I'm only human. Don't know how many sunsets. Hey, I'm on this side now. Starting with the front pocket, the really small pocket in the front right here. Alright, so first, there goes my wallet. I have my cards and everything. I have, a little bit of change. And then I have sticky note. This. Okay, so I have sticky notes to remember stuff. I just sometimes just drop in here. I have my receipt. I have receipts that I just throw in here that I probably don't need, but I'll probably get back to maybe like to look at it. I don't know. I have Tums for just in case I'm out anywhere and I have like any heartburn or anything like that. I'm always ready. I have it. I have a lip gloss that this one is it's called Staining Mood Gloss in the flavor Mango Butter. Yeah, this is really good. This is called Ruby Kisses. Ruby Kisses, that's the brand name. This is really good. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know. But if you guys want to know what this is called exactly, I can put it in the description below. Oh, so I also have this is like a lipstick, lip gloss. This is the one that I have on my lips right now. It's called Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. It's in the flavor 545 Rich Bordeaux. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but if I'm not, somebody correct. Anyway, how are you guys doing today? You guys good? I'm good, thank you. Alright, so I also have my AirPods, and I usually keep them, with me at all times. A pen and a pencil just in case I need to write anything down. If I'm somewhere and I just remember something and I can't use my phone, I can write it down somewhere. I also have lipstick, another lipstick. I got this from the beauty supply store. It's from Nick AK, New York, in the flavor Dark Scarlet. Yeah, this is really good. I have crazy glue because you never know. If you wear glasses like me, your glasses might end up breaking at some point, and you need it to see. So we gotta fix it like the bootleg way before we actually get it fixed if we can't get it fixed right away. That's why I have this. So I also have another thing for my glasses, which is this. This is the little thing to fix your glasses, a little screwdriver if anything. I just keep these just to be on the safe side. I also have 3 of my Stylus pens. These two also have like the pen thing at the bottom, so I can, if I need to, if I don't have any other pens, like if I lose these pens, I can use this to write as well. But these are the Stylus pens. Yeah, 3 of them. I have like this liquid liner. I have not even used it yet, but this came from, what is it called? It came from somewhere at the mall. I don't remember, guys. But this is it looks like it's really good. I can show you guys an example of how it looks like when you put it on. You see how nice it applies? I have not even used it. I should use it, but the thing is, my hands are a little too shaky for these, so maybe I might use it at some point. I don't know. This is eye drops in case I need it. Let's just say I go somewhere and my eyes are red or something. I don't know. These are all just in case. You never know. So, yep. And another thing I have is I have this nail clipper in case I need to clip my nails, which right now I need to put a piece off. I'm going to be moving on to the bigger pocket. Alright, so first what I have in here, the most important is the water bottle. I have a water bottle just to stay hydrated at all times. have a deodorant because I like to smell fresh and so clean, also fresh. So another thing I have is a spray bottle. In the spray bottle, I have one of my body mists. So this is the travel size version of it. So that's why I keep it in the bag. So you know it's easy to like take it places. You know. All right. So I also have this thing. I got this from Dollar Tree. It's called Aroma Guru. This isn't a smell of lavender. You know what you can do with this? You can probably put it on your wrist, go like this, or you can put a little bit on your neck. You know, let's just say you're going to be like going to work or something like that, or you're gonna go to anywhere, I don't know. And if you're gonna be greeting people, people are gonna be hugging you. You want to smell good, you know, like you know, you can bring something like this to, you know, smell good. I have this Pond's lotion. It's a light moisturizer, hydrant, whatever, you know what I mean. So this is what it looks like. I don't know why. Okay, you can see it now. Yeah, this is what I have, and this is perfect because this has saved me a few times. Sometimes I even use this for my arms, my legs, or anything, like if I need it. If I forget to put on lotion before I leave the house. I also have the most important thing right now in this pandemic, hand sanitizer. Yep, I have hand sanitizer. It's always good to have it on hand because you never know what you could be touching. And, you know, like a lot of us touch our face after we finish touching anything. And that's, yeah, we got to make sure our hands are clean at all times. Another thing I have to keep my hands clean is this other spray bottle. In this spray bottle, I have alcohol. So it makes it easier to just spray my hands if I don't really want to do the hand sanitizer. Because this basically kills germs and bacteria as well. Alright. So another thing I have is my badge for work and stuff. So this is my work badge. Let me cover it. Another thing I have is my inhaler. I try to always bring this with me everywhere I go. I have a powder. This is from Maybelline. It's Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage, up to 16 hours. And it's in the color Truffle. The number is 362 Truffle. This is it. Make sure you guys can see this. Yeah, and in the back, you know. This is in case I'm anywhere and I want to do like a touch-up. I have it, you know, on hand in case I need it. So, another thing I have. Oh, I think I bent this back a little bit. I have a planner, guys. Always good to have a planner with you because you can write things down. This is where I write down some of my things, like some of my YouTube ideas. I write down, you know, like my plan for the week. You know, it's always good to just keep up with like setting goals and stuff like that so you can get things done. You can feel like you're doing something. And let me show you guys. In this pocket right here, I have like, you know, feminine pads and stuff like that. Anything I need. Like if I'm somewhere, I'll always have like some kind of pads in case, you know, I get surprised from, you know, Mother Nature. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to give this video 2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up. Like this video, comment, share, and if you're not subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.